Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got some exciting news. We were able to acquire an abandoned scrapyard, more for automobiles, in the city of Richmond, Virginia. We're surrounded by scrapyards. This is like a prime location just because of our clientele. We have so many clients here in Richmond, but it's a blessing that we were able to find this place and get it. It was abandoned for some time, and then somebody acquired it who we were able to get it through. It's this yard and another yard that's about a block away. We have our tow truck already bringing in cars just because we have so many clientele in this area. Hold on a second, let him pass me. That's Jason right there. He's new on our team. I've known him for a while, good dude. But basically, yeah, this property right here, let's take a look at it. We're gonna redo all the fence around the whole property, the whole perimeter. It's just all broken down, messed up. We're cleaning up because the guys that were here before just tore stuff up. I mean, we're filling cars up with trash. It's all stuck up in the dirt and everything. It rained yesterday, that's why it looks wet. It did come with a little bit of machinery. It came with a few cars, not much, but the biggest concern at this moment is cleaning all the mess so that we can apply for our salvage license and get approved with no problems. There is a current license here right now. It's basically this whole yard all the way to the back. So without wasting any time, what we're gonna do is just start opening some roofs of cars so we can start piling all this trash inside of there, because our main goal is to have this yard cleaned up by this week so that we can fully start working out of here. Right now, the way it is, we can't work like that. That's not what we're used to, and that's not what we're gonna get used to. Let's do it. कालों को काम ही नहीं आता.
Do I look cute working?
No way too beautiful.
Bruh. The number one thing here to do is clean up and get everything situated, working the way that we like to work with our methods and everything. But I got Kevin over here cleaning up. We got a couple equipment here that's pretty clapped out. Got a couple employees here that I guess you could say they're clapped out too, but you know, we're gonna make it work with what we got. We went this morning and went and got a rental skid steer. I don't think they're gonna be too happy when they get it back, but it's okay. Basically, there's car parts everywhere. Got Kevo right here.
Got picked up at 7-Eleven.
We got Kevo right here, picked him up at 7-Eleven. He worked for 99 cents a day. Labor nowadays is really expensive, you know. I came from Georgia. 99 cents a day.
He bought me really good. The other people were paying me like 20 cents a day. I'm making big money right here.
So yeah, we got our own cars coming in. We used to pick up a lot of cars in Richmond itself. So having a yard here is definitely a benefit for us because we already have clientele built up. Let's see the big mountain right there of mess. We gotta clean all that up. Get the yard graded down, leveled out, and yeah.